Welcome to AI Money-Making Strategies, your comprehensive guide to leveraging artificial intelligence to generate income and maximize profits in various industries. Let's begin by exploring how AI is transforming various industries. From finance to healthcare, e-commerce to manufacturing, AI is revolutionizing the way businesses operate and generate income. Now, let's dive into practical strategies and techniques for leveraging AI to generate income. From data analysis and automation to predictive modeling and personalized marketing, AI offers a wide range of opportunities for financial gain. Let's take a look at some inspiring case studies of businesses and individuals who have successfully implemented AI strategies to generate income. These real-life examples will showcase the potential financial benefits of embracing AI technology. While AI offers numerous benefits for financial gain, it's important to understand the potential risks and challenges. We'll explore the advantages of using AI for income generation, as well as the precautions and considerations to ensure a successful implementation.